Decision paralysis and the endowment effect from the book Stock to Riches। मैं हिंदी में आपको तो नहीं बता सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी अभी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है ट्रांसलेटिंग की स्किल। मैं भी सीख ही रहा हूँ एक तरीके से। आज हम पढ़ेंगे आपके साथ में स्टॉक्स टू रिचेस इनसाइट्स ऑन इन्वेस्टर बिहेवियर बाय पराग पारेख, जो कि इनकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में जानना तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में इनकी हिस्ट्री लिख दूंगा। हालांकि अभी तो ये दुनिया में नहीं है, एक्सीडेंट के कारण इनका निधन हो गया था। अगर आपको पूरा पढ़ना इनके बारे में तो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इनके बारे में लिख दूंगा, ऑथर के बारे में। और शुरू करते हैं चैप्टर 6, डिसीजन पैरालिसिस एंड द एंडोवमेंट इफेक्ट। Rupesh, a businessman, has come to meet with Satish, a portfolio manager. Rupesh: I'm a businessman. I have inherited from my father a portfolio of various stocks. He was an investor and he died 5 years ago. I've always wanted professional help on handling my portfolio as I know nothing about stocks and my own business keeps me busy. Satish: it would be a pleasure to construct a good portfolio for you. I have been in this profession for the last 20 years and have many high net worth individuals and corporates as my clients. Could I have a list of your stocks? Rupesh: here it is. Can we discuss it right now? I have already wasted 5 years doing nothing. Satish: at a glance, I can see that it is a very lopsided portfolio and drastic changes are required to balance the industry weightage. A number of stocks will have to be sold as they are not viable. Have you done something about the portfolio immediately after your father died? You would not have been saddled with so many junk stocks. Since we need to act quickly, I will put my comments on this sheet. Rupesh: oh, thank you so much for understanding the urgency of the situation and working on it right away. I will get everything in order and meet up with you the day after tomorrow. Satish: that may not be possible as I am extremely busy. How about next week? Rupesh: Satish, you know the urgency, so please spare some time for me. I will adjust my schedule. Satish: is 4 p.m. okay with you? Rupesh: it's perfect. Thanks for excusing me in. I just need to get over this. I am so indebted to you for your time. They meet at the scheduled time. Rupesh: I did some homework and I have a few queries. Satish: please go ahead, I will clarify all your doubts. The meeting goes on for an hour. Initially, Rupesh's questions are the same, but Satish is patient and clarifies all his doubts. The meeting ends with Rupesh scheduling another appointment after a couple of days. Rupesh: thank you once again for your time. You know how urgent this is for me, so before I finalize, I brought my wife along so that she too is clear about everything. Meet my wife, Meena. Satish: nice meeting you. Now what can I do for you? I hope your husband has explained everything to you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Meena: I am just a housewife. I do not understand investment. My husband insisted that I come as he wanted to finalize some business with you. He told me that you are an expert in your field and he trusts you very much. I am happy that he has ultimately taken a decision after 5 years. Rupesh: yes, I am glad I have met the right portfolio manager. Now to complete the formalities and take action, shall we meet tomorrow? Please give me an appointment as this matter is my first priority. Satish: okay, since we will require time to finalize, let's make it 6 p.m. tomorrow. Rupesh: thank you very much. I will be there. I will bring my wife too in case you need her signature. Goodbye. Next morning, Rupesh calls Satish's secretary and asks her to rescheduling the meeting after 2 weeks. As he will be traveling on business, the meeting is rescheduled for 2 weeks later. Rupesh walks in with a gentleman. Rupesh: Satish, meet my friend Atul. He is a leading chartered accountant. Before finalizing, I thought he should meet with you and you can clarify his doubts. I hope you don't mind. Satish: yes, Atul. Please go ahead with your questions. Atul: I have heard a lot about you. I have nothing to ask a professional like you. I know Rupesh is in safe hands. Rupesh, I know of Satish's reputation and you can be assured that you have got the best professional working for you. Rupesh, thank you. Now that Atul has given me the green signal, I do not have any hesitation. I will call tomorrow and fix a time so that I can bring my wife and we can complete the formalities. अगर आपको पूरी बुक पढ़नी है तो प्लीज़ आप इस बुक को बाय कर लीजिएगा, स्टॉक टू रिचेस। मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में या आप मेरे बायो में इसका लिंक देख सकते हैं, वहाँ से आप बाय कर सकते हैं। काफ़ी कुछ इस बुक में है जो आप सीख सकते हैं, मनी मैनेजमेंट के बारे में, स्टॉक्स के बारे में, म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में भी कि कैसे आपको करना है। बेसिक लेवल की है ये बुक लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छी है। अगर आपको कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है इसके बारे में सो काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा आपको इस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद। और मुझे आशा है कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। मैं हिंदी में आपको तो नहीं बता सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी अभी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, ट्रांसलेटिंग की स्किल सो मैं भी सीख ही रहा हूँ एक तरीके से। सो आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय बाय। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस वीडियो पे अपना टाइम देने के लिए। मिलते हैं आपको। बाय बाय।